Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in to my video. Today, I will be showing you how to access all of the documents and everywhere that you can go to get the information for the week. Also, side note, if you happen to hear something weird, it's probably my 10-month-old son sitting next to me. So anyway, the first place you can go to get the assignments for the week is on the Ambridge homepage. If you scroll down, it has remote learning opportunities and it has senior high school. So we're going to click on senior high school. And then we will scroll down until we find me. And here I am. So this is where you go to find if you're newspaper one or two, communication 1, or Spanish 1. Shh. Shh. You're loud. So once you click on it, it should open up another document. I don't know if mine's just, oh, there it is. Okay, sorry. So there it is. So each week we'll just post on top of the previous week. So this was for March 30th through April 3rd, and then this is for this week. Okay, so there's one place you can go. Next, you can just log into your Schoology account and go to remote learning instructions. And I've put it here in remote learning at the top document. Oh, sorry, I went too far back. I've also put the assignments into the April 3rd through 10th folder. Okay, so here's the link for a video for the sexualization of nouns. I chose this, if you're in Spanish, I chose this because I always get the question of, well, why are there genders in Spanish? So I hope this helps a little bit. And then here's an activity that follows it. Continue to Duolingo practice. And then here's a PowerPoint on ER and IR verbs. So just view it, go through the notes, and then there's a Kahoot to go along with it when you're done. As far as communications go, same thing. Go to the remote learning instruction. This was still for the previous week, but I gave instructions in this folder. Instructions. And this is everything for this week as well. When you go back to the main remote learning instruction folder, I made another video on how to show you what to do, what you were supposed to have done for the Odyssey escape room. So that video is there. And then another place you can go to get these instructions would be to log into your 365 account. So when you go in there, you'll see something like this. Actually, this is what you'll see whenever you go in. And what you should do is go to your Outlook. Let's see if I can find mine. There it is. So you'll get an email that looks something like this. So I'm looking at period 3 Spanish group. So view group in Outlook. You're going to click on the email and you're going to go to share files. Yes, you're fine. And then this is also here, the remote learning document is also here. So there's another way you can get access to what you're supposed to be doing. And also, great old remind, I'm sending out reminds for everybody for this week. I have 4 scheduled announcements going out on Monday. What's tomorrow's date? April 6th. There's an announcement going out for every class. So again, I hope this helps you. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Email me for the remind codes. Like here's Spanish 1 remind code, period 1, Spanish 1, period 1. Spanish 1, period 3. Here's the remind code. Spanish 1, period 5. Remind code. Spanish 1, period 9. Remind code. And then communication 1. Period 4. Remind code. Communication 1. Period 8. Remind code. And newspaper, I'm pretty sure all of you have yours. That's your code. Okay, so again, feel free to contact me with any questions. I hope you're all doing well, and I miss you all. Have a good week.